In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to delete your Facebook account on an Android device, but the process will be very similar to other devices. Before I do this, if you find this video helpful, I'd love it if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so first open up the Facebook app on your mobile device. Okay, so tap the menu button in the top right hand corner of the screen. Once here, scroll all the way down and go to Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Settings. Next, tap on the Account Center. Then scroll down and tap on Personal Details. Then tap on Account Ownership and Control. Second option down is Deactivation or Deletion, so tap on that one. Then select which account you'd like to permanently delete, so I'm going to select the top one. Now it gives you two options, so you can either deactivate your account, which is only temporary, or you can delete your account, which is permanent. So tap on Delete Account, then tap on Continue, then give them a reason why you want to delete your account, and then click on Continue again. Next, click on Continue, scroll all the way down and then click on Continue. Then put in your password, click Continue, and then finally you get the option that says Delete Account. So you're about to schedule your account for permanent deletion. Once you schedule your account for deletion, you have 30 days to reactivate your account and cancel the deletion. After 30 days, the deletion process will begin and you won't be able to retrieve any of the content or information you have added. You can cancel the permanent deletion process at any time before the process starts through Account Center by logging into your Facebook account with your email, phone or password. There you have it. That's all it takes to delete your Facebook account. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.